Alright, Burnt Eye, we're going to go now to the Kenfig centre, and we're going to then go to the Hyde on the bottom end of the pool, and then we'll walk around there, across then to the other Hyde, then we'll go to the Kenfig Castle. Okay, alright. The water over there, the Lake District, boys, look, that's all flooded.
The water has come right up because there used to be a beach here.
Yeah. Well, we should bike break in the water. Which is the better one?
This one. Oh, really?
Have you got any sandwiches, Di? No. Any coffee? Alright, cheers boys.
Cheers.
Nice today.
What more can
Right, what more can I... What a perfect day. What a perfect day. Cheers.